I'm Sean Damon with Keller Williams Realty Metro Atlanta. Our philosophy at Keller Williams is win-win or no deal. We've attracted agents like no other real estate company. One reason is because we treat our agents like partners and shareholders. And what that means to you is that we all have a vested interest in helping every Keller Williams agent succeed. When you're a part of Keller Williams, you have an incredible support system, which includes the Agent Leadership Council. And because we are a company that truly cares, we've created an environment where people want to stay forever and grow with our team of like-minded real estate professionals. Our commitment to training and coaching on every level is what sets Keller Williams apart. We have over 60 multimedia training courses on every aspect of success at kwconnect.com. We lead the industry with cutting-edge technology, so as an agent, you gain the high-tech advantage. For example, every agent gets their own personalized website, which includes free IDX, so your clients can not only search for you, they can search the entire MLS like you. We also have the eEdge system that provides contact management, marketing solution, and online document generation. All Keller Williams marketing tools are available to customize or brand locally or nationally. All this provides our agents with a level playing field, regardless of their financial resources. This promises to totally revolutionize the way that we do business. We're looking for entrepreneurs who are ready to seize the unprecedented opportunity of today's market. We know that the strongest enterprises are driven by top talent, and our growth strategy is completely centered on getting in business with the very best people in the real estate industry. Are you ready to learn more? Let's have a confidential meeting today. I can't wait to learn more about you, your goals, and your dreams, and how we at Keller Williams can help you achieve them. Again, I'm Sean Damon with Keller Williams Realty Metro Atlanta, and I look forward to speaking with you very soon.